Look at that. We got turkeys and they got a couple of little ones with them. Look at that. They're not even tall enough to be seen by the grass. You look real good. See? You see a little head? There's a little babies, a couple little babies there. Just prancing around. It's funny because they're pretty close to the road to begin with. See the little baby? There they go. They're going in the shadows now. They're really good size, ain't they? Oh, you see some little babies there. Did you see that little one? Gave us a little flock of the wings. There they are, right there. They're cute. Look at that big one. Boy, he's big. That's a big tom. There you go. A couple of little ones hanging around. Wow. All right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing these little fellas to you. Bye-bye now.